we're here today on this overcast afternoon, on Sunday afternoon at the Ruawai Motocross Park, and we've got Mr. Martin here, Cletus Martin. He's going to show us some talented professional shit right here. So we're gonna have a bit of a chat with him, see what he's got to say about the situation, about the races today, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Yeah, that was Cletus Martin riding for Team Honda. So we're going to just take a few clips and have a look, and you can decide for yourself whether you think this piece of shit loser with a bike out of the 1700s or this quality piece of engineering from Honda. When we look at me on the track, I'm just that much better. I'm not me. I'm showing. This shit is fucked, man! Cletus, I couldn't help but notice you actually suck.
What? People like you, fuck us up!